One question I get all the time from accident victims is, how long will it take to settle my case? How long before I get money compensation? The answer is that on average it takes about 9 months to a year. The reason is it is necessary to get your injuries diagnosed and treated. The size of your settlement will depend on the extent of your injuries. And the insurance companies are going to want to see full documentation for any injuries that we are claiming. The process of diagnosing and treating your injuries often takes several months. It may involve seeing a chiropractor, a pain management doctor, and a physical therapist for multiple sessions. It may involve doing x-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. It may involve evaluations from neurologists and other specialists. I tell clients, I understand it's a frustrating process having to wait for your settlement. You may be out of work due to the injury. You have bills to pay. You need that money. And as a personal injury attorney, I do everything in my power to expedite the process. But at the end of the day, it's not just about how fast we get your settlement. It's about treating your injuries correctly and building the foundation to get you the biggest possible settlement. If you've been injured in an accident here in Nevada, call us at Las Vegas Defense Group at 702 Defense.